Not just coastal areas, but well inland here in Orlando, Florida, so many countless people are preparing. You can see the people here, but what you don't see is the 3.5-hour wait in a line of cars to get here to do this backbreaking work. People here trying to protect their lives, their property here in Central Florida. Flooding is going to be a major issue, urban flooding as the storm comes across the peninsula and eventually emerges back in the Atlantic. There will be flooding here. These folks know that and they are preparing. The limit here is 25 bags, 40 pounds each. That means each one of these people will likely put 1,000 pounds of sand at their property to try to protect it. In Orlando, Florida, Justin Michaels, the Weather Channel.